if the investigation turns out, and that the investigation is ongoing, that the Crown Prince or the King had deeper involvement that's being suspected, or people are saying in the media, that it's determined to be that, what can the United States do, or what should it do in light of the fact of its strategic importance?
Well, the president has said that there'll have to be some response in the event that the facts turn out the way that you hypothesize that they will turn out. I'm not going to get into what those responses might be. We'll certainly consider a wide range of potential responses. But I think the important thing to do is that the facts come out. When I traveled to Saudi Arabia, I met with the king, I met with the crown prince at great length, I met with Foreign Minister Jubeir, and I made very clear to them that the United States takes this matter very seriously, that we don't approve of extrajudicial killings, that we don't approve of that kind of activity, that it's not something consistent with American values, and that it is their responsibility, as this incident happened in their consulate, it's their responsibility to get to the bottom of this, to put the facts out clearly, accurately, completely, transparently, in a way that the whole world could see. And once we've identified the fact set, then they have the responsibility in the first instance to hold accountable those inside the country that may have been involved in any wrongdoing.